Hi, welcome to Your Mentor YouTube channel. To get the government job, PhD admissions, work from home job, school teacher, assistant professor job notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Share, like and comment my videos. And in this video, we are going to see one wonderful news as well as a very good opportunity to the any postgraduate. Even though if you are a fresher or experienced, then here UGC is providing one recruitment notification, guys. So you may get up to 1 lakh rupees per month. So please utilize this opportunity and share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the job notifications in this pandemic situation with only post graduation and any post graduation. Okay, so to get the more notifications like this, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And if your requirement is not there in this video, then please mention your requirement in the comment section of this video. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. So to get my next video as a notification, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. Present content of the video. So it is official public notice released by the University Grants Commission on 12th December 2021. So advertisement for the consultant, and here you may check down that online applications are invited from the eligible candidates of Indian nationals for the post of consultants purely on the contractual basis. So for eligibility, mode of selection, all these things, you need to visit the official website, and I will show you all the details very clearly in this video. So the interested candidates may submit their application complete in all respects duly supported by the relevant documents through online. Okay, and the last date for the receipt of application is within the 2 weeks from the date of the publication of this advertisement in the employment news. But actually here the within 2 weeks they mentioned, and I will show you the exact closing date of the online application also in this video. Okay, so first we will see regarding this one, guys. So here the two consultants positions are there. So institutions of eminence purely on the contractual basis. And coming to the essential eligibility, first class master's degree or equivalent from a recognized university or the institute. So if you are having the first class post graduation degree, okay, any degree, okay, any discipline, then you can apply for this one. Okay, no problem. Even though if you are a fresher or experienced, you can apply for this one. And here the desirable conditions are mentioned here. So PhD degree or the postdoctoral research, preferably in the educational policy or administration, public policy or international relations, etc. Excellent communication or the documentation skills, knowledge of computer with the latest information and the communication technology. Okay, and the preference will be given to the candidates who have work experience in the NIRF rankings, international rankings, institutional accreditation, UN bodies along with the international education exposure. Right? And the period of engagement initially for 1 year and further extendable on the basis of the performance evaluation, and the remuneration is 75,000 to 1 lakh rupees per month consolidated, to be decided depending upon your qualifications as well as your experience. And coming to the age limit on the closing date of application is 35 years. So there may be age relaxations based upon the Government of India norms. Okay, and the nature of duties are also provided here. So providing the technical as well as the professional supports to the IOE Secretariat, UGC, and smooth implementation of IOE program, and provide inputs and supports to the empowered expert committee and the UGC in all matters pertaining to implementation of IOE scheme, and engaging in the desk research, write policy briefs, research notes, and undertaking the data analysis, and undertaking the any other tasks assigned by the competent authority. And a method of selection here, you will be called for the directly interview, guys, based upon whatever the your qualifications and experience are there, and your selection will be purely depending upon your performance in the interview. The decision will be final. And coming to the application process, okay, I will show you the complete application process here. So please check out, guys. So it is an online application portal. So these are the particulars are given here. So for which post you are applying for. So consultant IOE, and what is the name of the applicant, father's name, present position, email ID, mobile number. So email ID and mobile number, okay, please check very carefully, guys. You may get the different updates to your mail ID or else to your mobile number. So date of birth and age automatically it will calculate. So, I mean, which category you belongs to. Okay, that I think it will be the decision of taking the age relaxation and what is your gender. Okay, so after completing of all these details and then click on this save. Okay, so and while coming to the closing date of the online application also, I am going to show you here. Here last date to apply online is 15th Jan 2022 up to 12 midnight. Okay, so once again I will come up on the 14th Jan 2022 for reminding this one as a last date. Okay, so again I will just try to remind this one, guys, and these are all the complete details. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities in this pandemic situation. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more updates from my side regarding the job notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET examination from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may continue this video, otherwise you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Jai Hind. Yeah, hi guys, welcome to my channel. So myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So myself, I cleared the UGC NET as well as the GATE for the 2 times in electronics and communication subject. And in this video, I want to bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 med cycle. Fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get. And even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also. And you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the 2 platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, what I mean, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses, or else the what you call paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore what are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare and English and education and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I am the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, well, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the, providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects you will get the 10% discount for the referral code, that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay, and while coming to the electronic science and the paper one, okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity. So already the course schedule, everything is launched here. Fine. So you may check down in my profile link also. And after downloading the Unacademy app, you may click on, you may search by this name, okay, Ashwini Kumar Gadige. Then you will be directed to my profile link and you may check down, okay, the schedule of this upcoming batch course. Fine. And here's a lot of previously the course taken students, the lot of the students are highly satisfied, guys. So you may check down the dedications also from the previous batch students, right? So, and you can also come on the free online classes also, that as I told that you will get on the Unacademy YouTube channel as well as on the special classes. So for example, before taking the subscription plan, if you want